Right, so I've got the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and today I'll be showing you how to transfer photos and videos to any phone without the app. So if you don't want to use the Insta360 app, then you actually can connect this camera to any phone like a USB storage device. And to do that, all you have to do is connect a USB-C to USB-C cable to your phone. So the other end of the cable goes into the camera like that. Now, two things are going to happen, especially if you're on Android phone. You might have to swipe down to the notifications and choose the USB for option, and then it's going to be charging by default. You want to set it to transfer files, and of course you might be required to enter a password. Now for most iPhones, this part is not going to be necessary. Now the next important thing you need to do is, as soon as you connect a computer or a phone to the camera, it's going to ask you if you want to file transfer. You're going to see this screen. So what you need to do is simply tap on file transfer, and it's going to switch into file transfer mode. And now you should be good to go. Now you can now go to your phone and go to the Files app. So if you're on iPhone, that app is called Files. On most Android phones, it's going to get called My Files. For instance, I'm on this Samsung phone. I'm just going to go to My Files app, and on the home page, you can see internal storage, and you can also see external storage. I have USB storage 1 and USB storage 2. Now, the reason I have two USB storage devices detected is because I do have a micro SD card inside this camera. Okay, so one of them is the internal storage, the other one is the micro SD card. So you can actually access each separately. So you open and then go to the DCIM folder. Camera 01 is going to be the folder that contains your photos and videos from the camera. So you can actually watch something like that, or you can simply copy. So you can tap on there, select the photos and videos you want to copy, and then paste them to the internal storage of your phone. So I'm just going to go to internal storage, go to the downloads folder, and paste them here. Simple as that. And then you can now maybe keep them on the phone, or later you can go ahead and transfer them. I hope that was clear. I'm just going to do it again. From the home page, go to your external storage. This time, let's go to the other storage of the phone. So I'm going to go to DCIM folder again. I'm going to go to camera 001, camera 01, and I'll find my video from inside the camera. I can long press on it to select it, copy, and then transfer it to the internal storage of my phone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can feel free to talk to us in the comment section. And also keep in mind that you can do this with any Android phone or tablet or even iPhone without the Insta360 app. Again, good luck.